In Alberta, people are waking up to a very new reality, one without vaccine passports this morning. A surprise new rule announced just yesterday went into effect at midnight. Alberta becomes the first province to make that move, but others are poised to follow suit in short order. Michael Serapio has all of the details on the COVID restrictions. First of all, Michael, in Alberta, no more vaccine passport.
That's right. After months of having to deal with it, and certainly there are those who still support it, well, that vaccine passport, as you say, now gone as of the stroke of midnight, so the very start of our day. Also gone on this Wednesday are restrictions on food and beverages at cinemas and sporting events. Capacity limits are over, with the exception of large capacity venues. And come Monday, well, students K-12 in Alberta will no longer have to wear masks in school. Kids under the age of 12, well, they won't be required to wear masks anywhere at all. And there's more to come if hospitalization numbers continue to go down. Well, in 3 weeks' time, the Jason Kennedy government intends to end all indoor masking, drop all gathering limits, and remove the province's work from home order. Take a listen to the Alberta Premier.
Canadians, certainly Albertans, increasingly are losing patience with 2 years of the disruption of their lives and are asking leaders to find a way to move forward safely, but to get life back to normal.
Now, not everyone agrees with these moves at this stage of the game, even though people are conceding, people are feeling tired. One group, the Calgary Chamber of Commerce, for one, defending the vaccine passport, and they say to drop it at this point is akin to ripping off a bandage before a wound heals. The announcement coming just after 7 p.m. local time last night, Heather, so certainly going to be watching for more reaction today. But as you say, a whole new reality for Albertans who are waking up today.
Michael, Alberta is the first to fast-track these changes, but other provinces are also signaling similar moves to come.
Absolutely. Just right next door, Saskatchewan, where starting Monday, the province will drop its vaccine passport. The Saskatchewan Premier Scott Moe saying that it created two classes of people and led to division, so the passports are going. Now, he also says the current public health orders will not be renewed at the end of this month, dropping requirements for public masking and isolating after infection. And we also heard from the PEI Premier Dennis King, and he says next week, by Thursday of next week, that province will take its first step of 3 to relax measures. It begins with ending the isolation period for fully vaccinated travelers to PEI and increasing gathering limits. Take a listen now to Premiers Moe and King.
We are going to take these steps back to normal by reducing and eliminating the public health orders that are in place. But we'd also ask Saskatchewan residents to be gracious and to understand that everyone is doing their own personal risk assessment and they might arrive at a different conclusion than you, and we should accept that.
To be crystal clear, this is not a declaration that COVID is over or that COVID will disappear or that we are standing here and saying mission accomplished. COVID is with us and it will be with us.
Now, Quebec is not ready to drop mask mandates nor end its vaccine passport, but starting this weekend, Quebec will drop the limit on private indoor gatherings, and by next Monday, Newfoundland and Labrador, well, it too will be loosening restrictions on gatherings and sporting events. So again, much debate around how quickly we should or should not be moving at this point as a country, but certainly the ground is shifting on mandates and restrictions right now.
Michael Serapio, thank you very much.
You're welcome.